Hola, Dr. Garrett Fisher here with a little tip for you today in Spanish. I am in beautiful Valencia, Spain, as you can see around here. And your tip of the day is going to be on the present progressive, all right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the verb estar, okay? And we conjugate it based on the subject that you need. And then for AR verbs, you're gonna use ando, and for ER and IR verbs, you're gonna use yendo. So for example here, estoy hablando. Estoy hablando. Hablar is an AR verb, and so we're gonna add on that ando there. And if I wanted to say estoy comiendo, I am eating. Estoy comiendo, it's an ER verb, and so I add on yendo instead of the last two letters of comer, okay? It works the same way with IR verbs. So vivir, estoy viviendo, estoy viviendo. We have an IR verb, and so we take off the IR, and then we add on yendo. Estoy viviendo.